And we will talk about Charlie Kirk. You know, the world is in shock today because of his death. And supporters of President Trump, major corporations, and even secular artists pay tribute in his death. Now, who is really this Charlie Kirk? Why does he matter? What's his ideology?
Founders as Turning Point USA, and he founded this organization as early as 18 years old pa siya. So, yan ipili ang as kanang organization kaysa sa kanang sa college.
Okay ko, I barely know Charlie Kirk. Kaya ako yung sa una, nag-impact ako sa una sa bata ko si Charlie Chaplin. Yun, Charlie Chaplin.
Ano first question ba sa ba? Apil na sa ideology o wala pa na?
Apil. So, wait lang naman.
Charlie, masikat